Back to code tonight. So in today's video we will see how you can create your own NuGet package and upload that on NuGet.org. So for that what we have to do is you have to create your package in the class library file. So we have this class library project and here we have this class file, and for just demo purposes I have added this class here and one dummy method here for joining the string. So here must be your code, whatever you want to create package for. Now once you have done that, now you just have to rebuild the solution, and you have to go to the package and go to properties, and in the assembly information you have to fill these fields which you see here. So you can add the project title, NuGet package title, and description, company and product, whatever you want, and you can also add the assembly version here and click on OK. So now what you have to do is you have to go to the website NuGet.org, and here you have to go to downloads, and from downloads you have to download the NuGet package, and you can download it by clicking here. Okay, so once this package is downloaded, what you have to do is you have to go to the download folder and copy this NuGet package and go to the C Windows and paste your package here. Okay, so you see that we have this package over here. Okay, so one thing you have to do is you have to right click on the package and go to properties, and there you will see a unblock checkbox over below the advanced somewhere there, and you have to click on that and click on apply, so that will unblock this package. So we can see, if we see that option here, so like you have to right click, go to properties, and you see this unblock option here. So you have to click on this option and click on apply, so that will unblock your NuGet.exe. Okay, so now going back to the browser, you have to log in with your NuGet.org account. Okay, and now we will go to the solution again. So we will go to the location, and here you have to open the CMD. So now what you have to do is you have to type NuGet spec, and then you have to type the name of the CS project file. Okay, so now you have to press enter, and it will create one new file over here at the same location. So you see it has created in string joiner.nuspec file here. Okay, so now right click on that and open it with anything. You can open it with Notepad or Visual Studio. So we will open with Notepad. So here you have to edit the authors, and you can add your name there, and you can remove this project URL here, and in the description you can add the description of your package. Okay, so so we can say just for joining strings. Okay, so this is for demo only. So now here you can add your tags, whatever related to your package. Now we will just close this file. So now we will go to command prompt again, and here you have to type NuGet, and then you have to type the pack. So this time it will create the package file for this NuGet package, whichever is your class library. Okay, so you will see that it has created the NuGet package file here, and now this file you have to go to your NuGet.org account, login with that, and go to upload, and in the upload you have to browse that file. So you see the file version here, you select that file and it will upload the file. So because I have added this already, so it is showing me error, but for you it will work. Okay, so after that it will just show you the save option, and then it will be taking 1 hour to show this in the results in your project. So after like 1 hour or something, you can go here and check your project by typing this. Okay, so let us know if you face any kind of issue in that, and if you require the steps, then what you can do is you can go to our official website, go to net.com, and there also you will find the blog create and publish a package using Visual Studio. Okay, so you can open up that blog, and there is all the steps that I just showed you in the video, so you can check all the steps here and let us know if you face any kind of issue. So thanks for watching, guys.